This is one of the coolest projects I've ever seen, a next-generation AI video agent for human-AI co-creation. It's called Flova, and it empowers creators with a full-stack AI filmmaking experience. Story and script writing, storyboarding, AI-generated music, and even full video production, all from simple text, images, or audio. Now, before I show you how to use Flova AI step by step, check out these mind-blowing demo videos it created. Trust me, you don't want to miss this.
I can make cartoons about my toys. I just tell Flova what happens, and poof! It's a real movie.
My visions are complex. Flova understands the abstract. It translates my wildest ideas into visuals I could never create on my own.
We used to have thousands of photos just sitting on our phones.
Yeah.
Now, Flova turns our adventures into beautiful video diaries we can share.
I have a feature film in my head, but no budget. Flova is my crew, my editor, my VFX team. It lets me direct, not just dream. My followers want new content daily. Flova is a game changer. It cuts my production time in half so I can focus on being creative.
In advertising, speed is everything. We use Flova to prototype concepts for clients in hours, not weeks.
To access this new AI image-to-video tool, simply visit Flova AI. I have also included the link in the video description for your convenience. On the homepage, the first thing you need to do is click on Join the Waitlist to get access, since Flova AI is still in its beta phase. Once you've joined, click on the Sign In button and log in with your Google account. After signing in, you'll see a clean and simple dashboard, along with a few sample projects that have already been created with this tool. Now, to generate your first video, you have two options. You can either upload your own assets, such as character images, sound effects, and your script to create a personalized style video, or you can type a detailed prompt and let the AI handle everything for you. For example, here's a sample prompt you can use. Pixar-style 3D animation. Create an animation about a playful duckling, a caring bunny, and a shy but kind dinosaur traveling through the desert. The dinosaur is stuck in the heat without water, so the duckling and bunny team up to help. Each character's dialogue should be short, no longer than 8 seconds, and reflect their personalities. The duckling makes funny and energetic remarks. The bunny gives thoughtful encouragement, and the dinosaur speaks softly with gratitude. The story should end with the friends finding a small oasis, where the dinosaur drinks water happily while all three celebrate together. Use Gemini for image generation and Veo 3 for video generation. I will also share this prompt in the video description so you can test it directly or customize it with ChatGPT. Once your prompt or assets are ready, next simply click on the Generate button and you will be redirected to the storyboard page. On the right side, you will see the AI assistant, which will help you generate all your images, video clips, and sound effects. As you can see, it is already processing my prompt instructions. This process uses Google's Nano Banana, Gemini, and Google Veo 3 for creating your project. The AI assistant first creates a project brief, and then we move forward to the storyboard. In the storyboard, it generates scenes and shots, and it also designs the character details. If you want to add your own characters, you can upload images or sound effects. But in my case, I'm generating something new. Now you can see the storyboard has generated key elements and segments. It then asks us to create a visual path for the storyboard. Basically, you are not doing much here. The AI assistant is doing everything automatically. You just need to add extra details if required. For example, if you want the bunny to have yellow and black hair, you can type that in. Before proceeding to the next step, it will always confirm with you. If you are okay with everything, just type yes to continue. As you can see, it is now generating the character sheet. Keeping the same character throughout the story is very important, and if you try to do this manually, you might miss many details. Here I am just typing yes in the AI assistant box, and the AI bot is doing everything automatically, only confirming with me before moving to the next step. If I need to add or change anything, I can type it directly in the assistant section. Finally, in the storyboard section, it first generates the images and then animates them using Google Veo 3 according to the scene requirements. If you are new, this tool is perfect for you because sometimes it's difficult to create the exact animation in Veo 3 without knowing the proper prompt. Flova makes the process much easier and faster. With Flova, you can create long animated cartoon videos, movie films, ASMR videos, and much more. Now, I just type "end the story" in the AI assistant section, and it immediately starts generating the timeline data. On the left side, you can see the video editor timeline getting ready. Next, it asks me to finalize the video, and then it begins generating background music and sound effects. You can export the video directly at this point, but I recommend allowing the tool to finish generating sound effects and background music for a more complete result. There's really nothing complicated to explain here, because in Flova, the AI assistant works as your scriptwriter, video editor, and image designer, all in one. In other words, you have a full studio inside one tool. All you need to do is give clear instructions, and the assistant will take care of the rest. And with that, here is the final demo.
Wow, look at all this sand! It's like the biggest sandbox ever! I'm so thirsty.
You keep him cool. I'll look for help.
Lunchtime. Let's discuss what we're gonna eat.
I'm buying. Let's get that Michelin star shawarma place I own. Jarvis, make the call.
Shawarma is great, Tony, but a simple, hearty cheeseburger sounds good to me. All American.
Chimichangas. Or tacos. It's Tuesday, right? Hey, audience, what do you think? Text your vote now.
Food is fuel. We'll have nutrient paste delivered. It's efficient.
Guys, I'm a little short on cash this week. How about a classic New York slice? My treat if we split it 6 ways.
Your methods are archaic.
At least my city isn't constantly leveled.
Hulk hungry. Pick now.
All right, there's nothing left to eat now.
Umbreon?